Forest Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Central Lafayette Parish in south central Louisiana, southeastern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, south central St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:56 a.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Rain, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, broadcast media confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Lafayette, Scott, Rain, Dewson, Ridge, and Meyer around 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. This includes the following highways: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 88 and 105. Interstate 49 between mile markers 1 and 3. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.